Welcome to Track Kick Off-Road, and in today's video I'm going to explain how to replace your alternator in a 98 to 2005 Suzuki Grand Vitara with a V6. I'm not going to show you how to do it, I'm just going to explain how, because I already did it, I don't want to do it again. It's kind of a pain, but it's not too bad. So this is a 2000 Grand Vitara 2.5 liter V6. Your alternator's right there. So the first step is remove this air box. There's going to be 4 of these clips. Just come out, take a flathead or an 8mm, and remove this boot, and this will just all come out of the way. And then you got your fuel charcoal canister. You want to remove these 2 hoses. There's one here, they pull right off. Once this is out of the way, this canister just slides up, just pulls right out. And you can just set it, kind of put it back in here. It's out of your way. And then when you're at it, here's your 12mm. There's a 12mm on the top. There's a 14mm down there. You remove those bolts, the alternator and the belt will all come off. Now in order to get the alternator out, you need to remove this bracket. So there's a 14mm here and a 14mm there. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but there's a 14mm there. That's all you need is an extension and a 14 and a ratchet. It'll all come out. And then you'll take a 10mm off right there for your ground, I believe. And there's a plug on the back. There's a clip. Just unclip it, pull it out, and then the alternator will come right out. Really easy. It's kind of a tight fit between these hoses, but it comes out as long as this is out of the way and that bracket's out of the way, or it's at least loose, so you can kind of finagle it out. And then when you remove the alternator, put the new alternator in the way it came out. Start with your 14mm, put the 14mm bolt back in, and put your 12mm in loosely. Put your belt on. Put your ground cable on it and your connection in the back, and then tighten the belt up. So you'll just rotate the alternator this way and then tighten the 12mm up. Put this back where it belongs, and then put your air box back in, or just the top. You don't gotta remove the whole thing, just the top of it. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. I seen another video like this and the guy made it way more complicated than it needed to be. I really do wish I could have showed a video of me taking it out and putting it back in, but I just don't want to do it again. It had to be done. I figured I'd share just kind of the process and how simple it really is. It took an hour max. Just keep in mind these alternators are kind of expensive, but you get what you pay for, so don't cheap out or it's just going to go out again. I do recommend replacing the belt while you're in there. I didn't, and I need to. Should have mentioned this first. Disconnect your battery before you start this process. And if you really want me to make a video of me removing this, just leave a comment below. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this helped just a little bit. And go ahead and like and subscribe and comment any questions you got. And get one of these before the market gets too crazy, because they're going up in value. So if you want to see more videos on this and building it as a overlander, more videos on my crawler, my tracker Clyde on Toyota axles, make sure you subscribe, because there'll be a lot more. I'm just a little busy right now. Thanks for watching.